Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So start with opening the settings, then enroll wallpapers and style, pick wallpapers, and now just choose the one that you want to apply. You can pick one from classic wallpapers, live wallpapers. You can also go with few more albums like light and shadow, composition and so on. If you wish, you can open album and pick some photo that you grabbed. So it's obviously up to you. Just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Maybe I'll go with this one. Here you can slide, or maybe not, so you have to tap on each to see how it looks on home screen. So maybe let me pick some nature photo. Okay, so I like this one. Mark then apply to once selected, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both lock and home screens. So just mark the preferred option. Here you can see and customizer, and then tap on apply. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.